In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can link your Fortnite account to an Xbox, PlayStation, PC, or other platforms. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do, because you can't actually do this in Fortnite itself, is open up a web browser either on a PC or a phone, tablet, whatever it might be, and go to Fortnite.com. Hit enter, it's going to load for a second, and then it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Up in the top right, go ahead and sign in to your account. And when you do sign in, choose whatever platform you want to log in with, whether it's PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, Nintendo, Google, and so much more, all are going to be listed on here. Select whatever one matches the account you're trying to link, and essentially just enter in the email and password associated with each platform. Once you're signed into your Epic Games account itself, select account, and once you're in here, go to linked accounts just like so, and you're going to be able to link and unlink different accounts depending on whoever you want. So essentially, go ahead and find, like Nintendo, for example, and select link and then sign in with a Nintendo account. Xbox, same thing. PlayStation, same thing. And you can unlink all of these as well. For example, I don't really use my Nintendo or Lego account really at all. I meant Lego account. Select unlink and I'd be good to go. But there's so much to link on here. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.